and welcome to this how-to video. My name is Andreas Rothärmel. I'm the product manager here at Optris, and in this video I will show you how to adjust the shutter after focusing the imager and how to remove and reinstall cables for the shutter box. Here I have the PI640i with the shutter box. For the best view it is necessary to adjust the focus to your object, and after focusing, as you can imagine, the shutter has to be adjusted. So let us start with the adjusting of the shutter. First, open the shutter via remote control and focus your imager. So now loosen the 4 screws, 2 on each side of the shutter box. Here and here. It is not necessary to unscrew them completely, just loosen them. So, put the housing of your shutter box above the lens and close the shutter. So put the whole housing down to the lens so there is no gap between the shutter and your lens, and tighten the screws. So now the shutter is adjusted. So now try to open and close the shutter 2 or 3 times to make sure that the shutter does open and close correctly. Now the shutter is adjusted. Now I show you how to get the access to the shutter cables. Here the 4 screws has to be loosened. Unscrew them, but not completely. So lift the lid and take it backwards. So here you can see the cable, and now on the bottom of the shutter you have this small screw, and loosen it and take the slide to the side. So now you have the access to the cables, so you can easily install your shutter box where you want. For reassembling the cables, do it the other way around. Take the cable, put it through the hole, and tighten it. So, put the slit over the cable and tighten the screw. Take the lid, put the lid on the screws and tighten it up. Tighten the 4 screws. Now you are ready for adjusting the shutter and connecting the cable for the shutter. For more information, please visit our website or contact our support team. Thank you for watching and goodbye.